Hello friends, so this is Lucky Sony here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I have not posted from a very long time in my YouTube channel. I thought of let's have an unboxing of this particular mobile, which is Redmi Note 10, and I hope so this is quite worthwhile mobile. You can simply order it, and I will strongly recommend you better to go for 6 GB 128 GB because nowadays Android is a bit heavy and it cannot be run that much smooth on top of 4 GB RAM, so better to go for the 64 GB variant. Even on top of that, if I talk about the internal memory, better to go for 128 GB because 64 GB also not sufficient, and adding the card to the mobile is not that much good option, memory card. Yeah, so let's proceed further how these things are going to further. So I'm just going to unbox it. Yeah, you can have a look and how literally things are going on. Yeah, let me have our own traditional way to unbox it. Yeah guys, so you are able to see this is the Redmi Note 10. Yeah, and as part of this Redmi Note 10, if I see, it's 6.43-inch full AMOLED screen. So guys, AMOLED screen very first time we are able to see as part of Redmi Note 10, and 48 megapixel AI quad camera, so 4 camera setup is there. Ultra wide and macro, as per of my knowledge, I think so ultra wide is quite good, but macro is not that much real time required. As yeah, and one of the best thing about the 5000 mAh battery is there, and it's having 33 watt fast charging, which is quite impressive because I having OnePlus, and OnePlus having 30 watt of fast charging, but why we can't say really it will be that much good and help. But best thing I love about the mobile is about stereo speakers. I'm able to see it's having the stereo speakers, and it's having the Snapdragon latest processor, which is working on 11 nanometer octa-core. Yeah, 11 nanometer technology. So let's have a thing, and 180 hertz touch sampling rate. So let's see. I think so everything looks too much good, quite interesting. And let's have an unboxing of this mobile. This is white color, bros. Yeah, so let me check what we are going to get as part of this mobile. So this is the box piece I already shown you, and yeah, this is the mobile. It's looking quite decent. It's giving me the feeling like I'm unboxing OnePlus mobile, but no, it's olden days, guys. Yeah, it's a white color. It's good camera setup. I never thought of it like this much good it there. Yeah, but the features are quite impressive, guys. If you see, it's 180 gigahertz is there. You are able to see AMOLED screen is there. I'm just trying to start it. It is going to take some time to start. I think so. It's a quite interesting mobile. One of the best things is having stereo speakers. If you see, there is a speaker grill, another speaker grill. There's a stereo speaker. May not be the Dolby one that I know, and the typical MI having this IR blaster for the operating your TVs and mobiles. Yeah, so I'm quite impressive from the features whatever it's giving. But yeah, it's 14,000 rupees of mobile, and it's working on MIUI 12. Yeah, so let's proceed further. As of now, I'm not going to insert any SIM card, something like that. Just I'm going to unbox it and checking how actually things are going to work. But I'm going to connect with my Wi-Fi. Let's see how the things are going to work out. Yeah, so let me unboxing accepted. I don't think so it should have any kind of advertisement or yeah. So leave it. I will check it again later point. No need to have the SIM card, and I'm going to enter the password here. Okay, so that's okay. Yeah, so let's see how exactly things are there, what is the camera quality, how things are going to work. As of now, I'm skipping everything. I'm just simply proceeding with the steps. Yeah, so yeah, so now you can focus here. As part of this mobile, it's having good quiet edges. Yeah, it's a like you can see it's a touch screen. I think so it's a fingerprint also, right? Because you are able to not see any kind of in display fingerprint sensor. It's looking quite good. Yeah, it's impressive. I think so it's good. Yeah, 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 good camera quality. Yes, looking for some updates. Yeah, good MIUI 12. Okay, so this is why my unboxing review, and later point of time I'm going to upload the camera samples and how the touch and feel of the mobile. So I think so this is quite good for today. So I think you are going to love it. This is the mobile, and yeah, I would like to show you some more accessories which I got as part of this mobile. So let me show you guys. This is very first my review now, so I am quite delaying, that things may not be that much good enough. Yeah, that's quite happens. So yeah, we are getting the case, and this is the transparent case. I think so white is quite good. I mean, some other colors was there, but I thought of let's try white for the very first time. And it's good plastic case. Let me see what is the quality of the case. It's plastic. I can insert it later point. But one of the best thing, we having 33 watt of fast charger. Too much good and heavy charger. And this having Type C cable. I thought of it should be Type C. Yeah, it's a Type C only. So yeah, friends, it's a Type C cable. Its length is a little bit less, but that's quite enough acceptable. Yeah guys, so I'm just going to post next video where I'm going to show you its performance, how exactly mobile is behaving, what is the advantage of having this mobile. But as part of my experience having the mobile which having less than 15,000 rupees, which is running on 6 GB RAM, or possibly I will push for 8 GB, but I don't think so you are that much heavy user. I don't think so you need 120 gigahertz of screen, or camera quality be quite decent. I don't think so no anybody is really looking for the stuff. So yeah, I'm going to update about it guys. Yeah, so thanks a lot for looking at my videos. Stay tuned along with me. Yeah, bye bye.